Welcome to Slow English. This is your time, your space to listen, to learn, to grow. My name is Wahib, and I am happy, very happy that you are here. In this podcast, I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can follow me step by step. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to try, listen, repeat, practice, and smile. Many people believe learning English is hard. They think it takes many hours or that they must travel far away, but that is not true. You don't need to live in London or New York, and you don't need grammar books all the time. What you need are small steps, simple steps that you can do every day. 5 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow. Little by little, your English grows like a seed becoming a tree. In this episode, we use easy words, short sentences, and clear ideas so you can feel calm, safe, and ready to speak English. Today, I will show you one powerful, natural, and simple method called shadowing. Maybe this word is new to you, maybe not. Don't worry, I will explain it and guide you. Now, take a breath, relax, smile, and get ready, because today you begin a new step, a new sound, and a new English journey. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a simple way to practice English. It is easy and very useful. Shadowing means listen and copy. Speak and follow the sound like a shadow. You follow the words, the rhythm, and the voice. You don't need to understand every word. You don't need to translate. You only need to listen and try to say the words like me. Let's start with some simple sentences. I want to speak English fluently. Now repeat. I listen to English every day. Now repeat. Shadowing helps me speak better. Now repeat. That's it. That is shadowing. At first, you may feel a little strange, but that's okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. Here are 5 simple and powerful ways to practice English every day. Listen to English every day. This is the most important step. Listen when you walk, listen when you cook, or listen when you wait for the bus. Even 5 minutes is enough. Speak out loud. Don't be shy. You must speak it with your mouth and your voice. Talk to yourself about your day, for example. I am drinking coffee. Or, I feel happy today. Think in English. Most learners translate. That makes speaking slow. So here's the trick. Start thinking in English. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Just use simple English in your head when you see the sky. Say, the sky is blue. Read and repeat. When you read out loud, you see the words, hear the words, and practice 3 skills at the same time. Start with a simple story, read it, and repeat it out loud. Make English a daily habit. The secret is not big effort. The secret is small steps every day. 5 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of speaking, and 5 minutes of reading. That is enough. Because English is like exercise. The more often you practice, the stronger you become. Remember, don't wait for the perfect moment or perfect grammar. Start now. Start today. Your English will grow, your confidence will grow, and one day you will look back and say, "Wow, I can really speak English now." Keep going. Keep practicing and never give up. I believe in you, and I am here to help you. Thank you for joining me in this episode. See you next time, and remember, practice English every single day.